Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make red velvet banana bread. First, mash 3 ripe bananas thoroughly in a large bowl. Then, whisk together 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of buttermilk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, incorporate 2 tablespoons of red food coloring until the mixture is a vibrant, uniform color. This creates the essential wet base for our delicious bread. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing gently with a spatula. Be careful not to overmix, just combine until no streaks of flour remain. This ensures a tender and moist texture for your bread. Now, pour your beautifully colored batter into a greased and floured 9 by 5-inch loaf pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Patience is key for perfect slices. To elevate your red velvet banana bread, consider adding a delightful cream cheese glaze. In a small bowl, beat 4 ounces of softened cream cheese with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter until smooth. Gradually whisk in 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk until you achieve a smooth, pourable consistency. Drizzle this luscious glaze over your completely cooled bread for an irresistible finish.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.